Yes, I'm not. Okay, for the sake of recording, let me go back one page. Okay, recall the axiom of comprehension. We start with a set A and a property, and then there's another set B, and the elements of B are exactly the elements of sine P of X. And if you've ever an X course, you've applied this axiom many times, I'm sure. Okay. Like here's an example. We apply the axiom to the intersection of A and B, all the elements of A that are also in B. Okay.
Hello.
And if you're watching this as a recording, over this quickly because I forgot to start recording at the beginning of this lecture. Okay. And now we need to have a little bit of a discussion because, you know, kind of like the people were in charge of what the axioms are. So like why complicate things by specifying a set A and this property P? If I have a new property, so like let's call this property Q of X, I can get all the satisfied by the axiom of comprehension if I just replace my new, if I just make up the new property is P of X holds and X is an element of A. So that maybe suggests that we should define a strong axiom. Okay. And the strong version is for any property, well, let's say any property there is a set containing, or I'll say there's a set B such that if and only if Q of X. Okay. And this axiom, you know, it seems better. It is more concise. Axiom. Also, anything that you can deduce from axiom, you can also deduce from this one. Like for example, you know, take Q of X is in A and X is in B, or sorry, B is supposed to be my set, so X is C. Then the X is such that X is in A and X is in C. Well, this new axiom of comprehension gives us the intersection. Okay. And I also get the union. You know, I can write X is such that X is in A or X is in C. Okay. Actually, this is way better than the axiom of comprehension. Like the regulation, because what you'll see later is we have to do an axiom of unions to get the axiom of a union. This axiom of comprehension includes unions. Probably anything you could ever want to do with sets, you can do with this. Well, a lot of things that you want to do, you do with this axiom, you know. Okay, so I guess now, if this axiom is so great, why the other axiom? Well, it takes longer to state and it seems worse. Well, the reason is this strong version is too strong. Okay, so this is called Russell's paradox. you can kind of think of this as kind of the beginning of, like, this is what necessitated, like, kind of people more carefully looking at axioms. Sorry. Just a moment. I'm getting no, just. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about Russell's paradox, and then probably I have to that because my phone will die before the end of class. Okay, I'll try and fix in future lectures. Along with this Axiom of Comprehension strong version, as abbreviated AOCSV. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Are you not hearing me, or you're not video not hearing me? Let me try and move it closer. How about now? The sound is still. Hello? Okay. Is it still bad? Is the sound still breaking up? Wow, okay. Okay, unfortunately, I'm like right next to my internet router. So, yeah, why am I?